One of the most common and unfortunately serious mistakes when planning a renovation is not having a well-thought-out lighting plan. Many people limit themselves to a single ceiling fixture in the center of the room, missing the crucial role of light in creating a cozy and moody home. Lighting should be layered and flexible. Along with the main source of light, it is worth providing additional groups of lamps: floor lamps, sconces, table lamps, and decorative chandeliers. Such elements help to zone the space and create a comfortable atmosphere in the evening. Let's look at 3 basic mistakes to avoid. 1. All lighting fixtures are controlled by a single switch. This greatly limits the flexibility of using lighting depending on the situation. 2. Lack of a unified style. Fixtures selected without a common design idea can visually disassemble the interior. 3. Improper choice of color temperature. Technical, functional lighting should be neutral, about 4000 K. At the same time, atmospheric and decorative lighting is better to choose warm colors, 3000 K and below. The lower the value, the warmer and cozier the light is perceived. For example, lack of lighting in kitchen work areas or near mirrors in bathrooms. Diffusers are often forgotten, and the light from the lamps becomes harsh and uncomfortable for the eyes. Remember, even the most expensive and high-quality repair can be spoiled by unsuccessful lighting. A great example are stylish wooden designer lamps from Artvoom. These products are not only eco-friendly and natural, but also become accent details of the interior. Their aesthetics and quality emphasize the individuality of the space, giving it warmth and harmony